Bearish stock market stat for tomorrow, a comprehensive analysis. In the next few minutes, we will discuss a powerful stock market stat that investors should pay attention to for tomorrow. We will also analyze the performance of various stocks and market indicators, as well as upcoming news events that could impact the market. Bitcoin and seasonality graph. Before delving into the stock market stat, let's take a look at Bitcoin's recent performance. Bitcoin has recently completed the ABC pattern, reaching an impressive $64,000. However, it is important to note that there is a seasonal weakness in February going into March, which could potentially impact the market. Stocks and earnings. Several stocks, including Bumble and Nvidia, have recently experienced a decline in their value after earnings reports. Additionally, rising interest rates are putting pressure on the housing market. It is worth mentioning that the Fear and Greed Index is currently in extreme greed territory, which could be a cause for concern. Warren Buffett's advice. Renowned investor Warren Buffett advises investors to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This advice holds significance in the current market conditions and should be considered by investors. Market news and government shutdown. News events, such as the CEO of Bumble signaling the need for an app revamp and the impact of a possible government shutdown, can create uncertainty and affect market sentiment. It is crucial for investors to stay updated on such events to make informed decisions. Leap day and market performance. Historically, Leap Day, February 29th, has shown lower performance in the stock market compared to other days. The S&P 500 has been up only 31% of the time on leap days, compared to 52% on other days. This stat suggests a potential bearish trend for tomorrow. Earnings reports and expected movers. Earnings reports from companies like Snow and Salesforce can significantly impact the market. For instance, Snowflake experienced a 23% drop in stock price after reporting earnings. Investors should closely monitor such reports to gauge market sentiment. Market analysis and technical levels. Technical analysis of various market indicators, such as the dollar index, gold, and crude oil, can provide insights into market trends. Additionally, analyzing stock charts, such as Apple, Tesla, and Google, can help identify potential trading opportunities. Conclusion. Investors should pay attention to the bearish stock market stat for tomorrow, as well as the performance of individual stocks and market indicators. News events and earnings reports can also impact market sentiment. By staying informed and analyzing market trends, investors can make more informed decisions. Remember Warren Buffett's advice to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.